Welcome back, my dear students, to my math channel. This is Mr. Mahmoud explaining course 1, chapter 1, lesson 4, ratio tables. I recommend that you open your books on page 39 and let's read this real world link together. A punch recipe uses 1 container of soda and 3 containers of juice to make 1 batch of punch. So what if we need to make 2 batches or 3 batches? We need what we call the ratio table. Let me show you the ratio table. This is the ratio table for our situation. We need 1 container of soda and 3 containers of juice. So if we need 2 containers of soda, we are going to need 6 containers of juice. 3 containers of soda, we are going to need 9 containers of juice. And it's clear that the 3 ratios, 1 over 3, 2 over 6, 3 over 9, they are simplified to the same ratio, which is 1 over 3. Now let's solve some problems. The idea is very clear. A patient receives 1 liter of IV fluids every 8 hours. At that rate, find how many hours it will take to receive 4 liters of IV fluid. So if the 1 becomes 4, means we multiply it by 4. So I must multiply by 4 here. 8 times 4 will give you 32. So this will happen in 32 hours. Now, problem B. To make cranberry jam, you need 12 cups of sugar for every 16 cups of cranberries. Find the amount of sugar needed for 4 cups of cranberries. So for 12, we need 16. I can divide by 2 now. 12 divided by 2 will give you 6. 16 divided by 2 is 8. I can divide by 2 again. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, the amount of sugar needed for 4 cups of cranberries, 3 cups. And by the way, you can find this result directly by, if you divide 16 by 4, you can get this 4. So divide 12 also by 4. You can have the 3 directly. Moving on. Sometimes we cannot find a direct number like this problem. For example, Joy mows lawns during his summer vacation to earn money. He took 14 hours last week to mow 8 lawns. So it's clear, 14 hours to mow 8 lawns. At this rate, how many lawns could he mow in 49 hours? So there is no clear number directly from 14 to 49. 14 times what will give you 49? It's not clear in my mind now. So I need to simplify. I need to simplify first. 14 over 8, divide 14 and 8 both will be divisible by 2 to give you 7 over 4. Now it's easy to move from the 7 to 49, multiply by 7 up, multiply by 7 down, will give you 7 by 7, 49. 4 times 7 will give you 28. So we now realize that he can mow 28 lawns in 49 hours. The same will happen here in problem C. A child's height measures 105 centimeters. Estimate her height in inches. So, It's clear here in this information that if the height is 25 centimeter, it's 10 inches. Now I need it 105. How many inches? I don't have a clear number will move directly from 25 into 105. So I must use this step. Let me show you how. I divide both 25 and 10 by 5. So divide by 5, divide by 5. This will give 5 and this will give 2. I divided here by 5 and I divided here by 5. Now it's very clear that to move from 5 into 105, I should multiply by 21. So I must multiply here also by 21, and the answer will be 2 times 21, 42. So 42 inches. By this, my dear students, we come to the end of our lesson for today. Till we meet again, goodbye.